Hi everyone, it's Tiffany. I had a hard time finding something to trade this morning, as I know a lot of you guys did in the room. The pre-market, nothing looked fantastic. So, and I know I have said before that a lot of times when it is like that, I jump into trades that aren't the perfect setups. It's when I'm looking for a trade, uh, instead of letting something come to me, it's never a good thing. So on Facebook, I did like the fact that it was pushing up, trying to reach this previous day close, and it was having a hard time doing so. I liked this 5-minute wick and the candle that closed before I entered the position. And then, as you can see, there was a double top here. It's not a perfect setup. I've learned from Peter, one of the moderators. The second was a little bit higher than the first attempt, and that's not exactly the perfect setup. But the level 2 looked extremely weak, and there was a huge bid that was around I believe it was around the 266.50 level, and it was just not going anywhere. It was just sitting there. And so I took that into consideration. And so when it made a new 1-minute low, after the double top, I went short. My first partial was at this at this 20 moving average on the 1 minute. And then my second partial was the 9 moving average on the 5 minute, which is now curled down. But when I was in the trade, it was a lot closer to this 9 moving average. And then I had a partial at the 100 moving average on, the 50 moving average on the 1 minute. And then, as you can see, it was trying to get to the view app, and this 100 moving average came up. And when it made a new 5-minute high, I went ahead and exited most in my position, and then it came and stopped me out at break even and went right back down. I'm not sure I'll trade anymore today. Like I said, I had a hard time trying to find something to trade, and it can be a little exhausting mentally trying to find something for so long. I may come back later in the day to see if anything is moving, but as of right now, I'm happy with my one and only trade for the day. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.